This is one of those annoying issues that a lot of people over 60 have but never talk about. However, here's the truth. Constipation isn't just a normal part of getting older. It's a sign that your digestive system needs help. The good news is that this problem is easier to solve than it looks. 99% of people who have constipation can get rid of it by eating the right foods. This video will show you 5 specific foods that naturally help your bowels work better. These aren't just any foods. These ingredients are great for gut health and high in fiber, so you can keep up with your normal bowel movements without using harsh laxatives or painful methods. By the end of this video, you'll know an easy and effective way to feel better every day, digest food better, and get rid of cramps. The key to a healthy digestive system is not in medicines, but in your own home. Stay until the end to find out why this may surprise you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure the reminder bell is on, so you don't miss any important health tips. And we want to hear from you. Have you ever had trouble with your digestion or been constipated? Leave a comment below telling us about your experience and the things that have helped you feel better. Let's talk about the first food. First, prunes, which are the most powerful natural medicine. Many people know that dried prunes can help you go to the bathroom, and for good reason. Even though they don't look like much, these small wrinkled fruits are one of the best natural ways to treat constipation. They have a lot of fiber and sorbitol, which is a special chemical that draws water into the bowels. This makes stools softer and makes digestion easier. If you have ever had trouble going to the bathroom, adding dried prunes to your diet might be the easy and natural answer you were looking for. A lot of people stay away from this food because they think it's only good for older people, but the truth is that it works well and doesn't make you feel bad like some commercial laxatives do. Unlike medicines, which can give you cramps or make you dependent on them, prunes help your body manage itself, which makes them one of the best long-term options for people who are constipated. Take the case of Henrique, a 72-year-old man who had been constipated for many years. He first tried different fiber products and then laxatives, but nothing helped for good. Prunes were the only thing that really helped him after his doctor mentioned them. Henrique wasn't sure at first, but he chose to give it a try. He started eating a few prunes every day, and in less than a week, he felt a lot better. His bowel movements got more regular, his bloating went down, and he finally stopped being dependent on drugs. That's how strong prunes are. You'll notice a change after just a few of them every day. They're great on their own, in cereal, smoothies, or even chopped up and put in a salad. No matter how you eat them, they will still help your digestion, make your stomach feel better, and make your bowel movements more normal. You should try prunes if you have been having trouble with constipation. What do you have to lose? They are natural, work well, and are simple to add to your diet. You might be shocked at how quickly your gut health gets better if you give them a try. Let's move on to the next food. 2. Chia seeds. They are small, but they are very good for your stomach. Even though chia seeds are small, they are very good for your gut health. They are full of fiber, especially a type that dissolves in water and turns into a gel-like material when mixed with it. This one-of-a-kind trait helps soften stools, which makes them easier to pass and naturally relieves constipation. If your digestion has been slow, chia seeds could be the easy, natural answer you haven't thought of yet. Chia has an amazing ability to soak up water, which is one reason why it works so well. When eaten, they get bigger in the stomach, which helps move waste through the bowels. Industrial fiber products can be hard on the stomach, but chia works naturally and gently to keep the bowels moving without making you feel bad. In addition to helping you go to the bathroom, they make you feel full, so they're a great addition to any meal. Take the case of Margarita, a 69-year-old woman who had been having trouble going to the bathroom for a long time. She tried different fiber pills, but they either didn't work right or made her feel bloated. Then a friend told her to try chia seeds. Margarita chose to give it a try, even though she didn't have high hopes. She began putting a teaspoon of chia seeds into her yogurt every morning, and after just a few days, she saw a big difference. Her stomach got better, her bowels started going to the bathroom regularly, and the uncomfortable bloating went away on its own. One of the best things about chia seeds is that they are easy to add to your diet and work quickly. There are many ways to use them. You can add them to oatmeal, soups, water, or even make chia pudding. To get the most out of them, you should soak them before eating them so that they can absorb water and do their job in the body. If you want an easy and natural way to improve your stomach, chia seeds could be just what you need. They are tiny and don't taste good at all, but they have huge benefits. Leave a second comment below to let me know you're still watching this video and finding the information useful. Third, oats. They have a gentle fiber that helps your gut stay healthy. If you are over 60, you should eat oats every day because they are one of the best foods for digestion. Oats are a natural and gentle way to keep your bowels working right, unlike laxatives or fiber supplements that can be harsh. Oats have a lot of soluble fiber, which means they soak up water and turn into a gel-like substance in the bowels. This helps soften stools and makes going to the bathroom easier. If you have problems with constipation often, eating oatmeal every day might be all you need to get your gut health back on track. Beta-glucan is a type of fiber that is really what makes oats great. This fiber does more than just help digestion. It also protects the heart, keeps blood sugar levels steady, and makes you feel full for longer. Oats are easy on the stomach, unlike some high-fiber foods that can make you feel uncomfortable or bloated. This makes them a great choice for people who want to take care of their gut without getting any bad effects. Let's look at the case of 74-year-old Ja. He had been having trouble with constipation for a long time and had tried many different things to help. Some helped for a short time, but most made the pain and bloating worse. Then his doctor told him to do something easy. Every day for breakfast, eat oatmeal. At first, Ja didn't think that such a simple food could make a difference, but after eating a warm bowl of oatmeal every day for a week, he noticed a big change. His stomach got better, he felt lighter, and he stopped being tired all day long. That's the power of oats. They are natural, easy to use, and very efficient. The best thing about oats is that they can be used in many ways. For a sweet treat, use fruit and honey. For a spicy treat, use nuts and seeds. You can cook them on the stove, heat them up in the microwave for a quick meal, or let them soak overnight for a breakfast that you don't have to cook. They will help your digestion, make your bowel movements more regular, and make your digestive system healthy no matter how you eat them. If you want to get rid of constipation naturally, oats might be the simplest and most approachable way to do it. Not only are they tasty and comfortable, but they also help your gut health, without you having to do anything extra. Fourth, sweet potatoes are a tasty way to keep your bowels regular. Not only do sweet potatoes taste good and make you feel better, they are also one of the best natural ways to treat constipation. This root helps digestion without the need for strong laxatives or medicines because it is full of fiber, water, and important nutrients. You might find that sweet potatoes are the best way to improve your stomach, while also tasting great. But why do sweet potatoes work so well? That's because they have a lot of fiber, mostly insoluble fiber, which makes stools bulkier and moves waste through the bowels. Some high-fiber foods can be hard to handle, but sweet potatoes are easy on the stomach and don't cause any pain. This makes them a great choice for gut health. In addition, the large amount of water they contain helps keep everything moist and working right. Take the case of Eleanor, a woman who is 71 years old. She had trouble with constipation for years and tried many different treatments. She drank more water, took fiber pills, and even used laxatives, but none of these things helped her in the long term. Then she learned that sweet potatoes were good for her and chose to try them. They became a part of a few meals a week, sometimes baked, sometimes mashed, or even grilled in small pieces. And the outcome? A big change was seen by Eleanor in just a few days. She had better digestion, went to the bathroom more often, and the uncomfortable bloating that had been bothering her for years went away. That's how strong sweet potatoes are. Besides making digestion easier, they give you steady energy, important vitamins, and antioxidants that are good for your health as a whole. The best thing about them is how easy they are to add to your diet. You can boil them, bake them, mash them into a smooth mush, or even put them in soups. They taste naturally sweet and are a great addition to any meal. Have you been having trouble with constipation? If not, now is the time to try sweet potatoes. Not only are they tasty and good for you, but they are also one of the easiest and most natural ways to keep your bowels moving. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. If you find the information useful, please leave a message with number 4 below. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Your support helps us keep giving you material that is both useful and inspiring. The 5th item is kefir, a sour drink that helps digestion. If you want to get rid of constipation and improve your stomach naturally, kefir might be the answer you've been looking for. Probiotics are good bacteria that help keep the gut in balance and keep things running smoothly. This fermented dairy drink is full of them. Kefir is one of the best foods to eat every day because it starts to help your stomach right away, unlike fiber supplements that can take time to work. But what's so strong about kefir? To sum it up, probiotics are the key. There are trillions of bacteria living in your gut. If this balance is upset, digestion slows down, which can cause problems like constipation, bloating, and pain. Kefir works by putting good bacteria back into your digestive system. This helps break down food better and makes it easier to get rid of waste. As a result, your digestive health will be much better and you will have more frequent bowel movements. Take the case of Walter, a man who is 75 years old. He had trouble going to the bathroom for years. He always felt heavy and badly, no matter what he ate. He tried eating more fiber, drinking more water, and even taking laxatives sometimes, but nothing helped for good. Then his doctor told him to do something easy: eat more yogurt. Walter was skeptical at first, but he chose to give it a shot. He began having a small glass every morning, and in less than a week, his digestion changed totally. He started going to the bathroom regularly, felt lighter, and didn't have to worry about stomach problems for the first time in years. The best thing about kefir is that it works from the inside out. Not only does it help with constipation right away, but it also improves the gut microbiome, which makes sure digestion stays healthy and balanced over time. The best part? Making it a part of your food is very simple. For a different taste, you can blend it with fruit, pour it over cereal, or drink it straight. If you've been having stomach issues and haven't tried kefir yet, this could be what you need to get your gut health back on track. It's natural, easy, and works amazingly well to restore balance to your gut bacteria. Now that the video is over, take a moment to think about the 5 important foods we talked about. You don't have to accept constipation after age 60. You can take care of it by making the right decisions. The important thing is not to rely on quick fixes or over-the-counter medicines, but to give your body the right foods to help it work naturally. These 5 foods do just that. Which one interested you the most? You can choose one of these things to eat or plan to eat one of them. You might already eat oatmeal for breakfast, but you might not have known that it helps your stomach. You may not have believed in kefir before, but now you see how it can improve the health of your gut. You could also say that this video finally made you start eating more gut-friendly, high-fiber foods. Leave a comment below telling us what you learned today and how you're going to use it in your everyday life. It is very important to us that you take part. Reading your comments makes us want to keep posting useful and interesting material. If you liked the video and learned something from it, please like, subscribe, and share it with other people. With your help, we can keep making material that educates and motivates people. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.